you are able to get a bad property in a good area. Hello everyone, this is Forever Looney here, and today we will be going into real estate investing. Alright, so the first thing that we actually want to know when we are there to look at a property, the first thing you want to do is to find out whether you like this property or not. Reason being is because if you don't like this property, what makes you think that other people will like this property? Let's just say that today I wouldn't want to buy something. Maybe let's just say that I have a card. Okay, I have a card. I don't like this card. I don't like the design. It's some weird looking things. I don't like it. And I'm gonna buy a ton of them. I'm gonna buy like 10, 20, 30, 40 of them, and I'm gonna go out there to start selling them. And that is the great thing, right? Because nobody has that, and I am going to sell this design. So I got it out to the market, I start asking people, do you want to buy this, do you want to buy this? Nobody wants to buy it. Reason being is because I don't like this card. Eventually, I wouldn't go and find out more information about this card. Look at this. If I have a passion for a car, and I'm gonna sell this branded car that I love the most. I say, oh, this car, when you step on it, you hear the engine revving sound. Oh shit, I love this car. Oh, that makes a difference. Because like what I said, people don't buy with logical thinking. They don't go there, no, the math doesn't make sense. I'm not gonna buy these things. I'm gonna get off here. Oh, no, you're trying to cheat me. No, you don't do that. Okay, before I head into it, you gotta really spam on the like button, and you're gonna subscribe to my channel. And this is so important because I am giving out unbiased information about real estate property that you guys will never hear from other people. They always come out here and tell you that, oh, you gotta buy this property down there, but at the end of the day, when you go and check, his name is actually in the shareholder name. I have been to so many events, and these people out there, they are telling you to buy property like that. Half of them, or 70%, they own a share in the property. I have been there, done that, and I've seen, and I've done background check on all these people that I have attended. They usually own a share of the place, or they are actually doing affiliate marketing for them. Other than liking and subscribing my page, they are going to be out there to ask you to buy the same property as what they have. So you got to hit on the like button and the subscribe button, and then I'll give you my unbiased information, because I already have whatever that I want. So let's get back to it. If you're not going to buy the property, eventually you will lose interest in the property. You don't care about, the door looks good. Yeah, it's just a door. The toilet, yeah, I don't think there's anything to upgrade. I mean, I'm gonna sell this property off. Why would I want to upgrade this toilet? Curtains, I think that the new buyer will do a change if they really like this property. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. When you are buying a property, you gotta think as a buyer. If you don't like it, don't buy it. Don't bother. Okay? If you don't like the property, the first impression that it gives you is it's not something good. Don't bother. Just leave. Alright? It's time to go. Let's go. Yeah, get out of there. It's a waste of time. Don't waste your time. There's no point wasting your time on things that you don't like. Alright? Don't waste your time on property that you don't like. If it doesn't appeal to you, leave. If it is awesome, you want to buy it, get it. Of course, think about the price afterwards, right? You always have a chance to do a second negotiation when you are going into property inspecting, when you are looking at a property, when you are trying to, have a house tour and all these things, and then you found out there's underlying problems. That is when you start to do your second negotiation. And that is where you start telling people that, hey, you told me that there isn't any pests and I can't trust you anymore. Now that there's a freaking infestation in the wall, what am I supposed to do? Are you gonna pay me, or you are gonna lower down the price? Alright, this is how we do negotiation, and that is how we go ahead and get lower price. But one thing you gotta bear in mind is you are able to get a bad property in a good area. So you gotta remember that at the back of your mind when you're choosing your first property. By the way, if you want to get the unbiased thing, you want to learn how to start real estate, you want to get those unbiased thinking about how to get started in real estate, The book on what real estate is out there and it's gonna be sent to you. You just have to pay for the shipping, and also $1 will be sent to the charity, and I will make sure that it will be done. Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabal Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, you know, I'm gonna put out all these videos, every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, you know, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.